In this lesson, we are learning to use certain expressions with gerunds. The gerunds, in this case, they are the form, or they are referring to the form ing. This happens specifically when we are making a combination of specific verbs or specific words. In this case, we have the example of I love playing video games. Then I have I, that is my subject, then love, and a second verb indicating an activity I love doing. So I love playing video games. When I have this formula or this relationship, it is always important to identify my subject, my verb, and my complement. But over here, I have another verb. I need to differentiate them. This is the main activity, and this is the one along with this one giving me a detail. I love playing video games. To separate these two verbs, because in English it is impossible to have two verbs together, what we do is to apply exactly this form, the ing. This is happening with the specific expressions or with the specific verbs. In the case of verbs such as love, we can use also like, enjoy, and the opposite, as you see here, hate. When you have these verbs and you are using a second one to express an activity, it is important to say it in the ing form, in the gerund. So I like running in the park. I enjoy drinking a coffee in the morning. Drinking a coffee in the morning. And I am moving this in order uh, to not to change or to make a confusion here. So I can say I hate dancing salsa. In all my sentences, I have my subject, my verb, and my complement. And this rule is applied to all the tenses. So I can mention activities in the past, but I am using the same verbs, or in negative or in question. And I need to respect this combination. Like and the ing, enjoy and the ing, hate and the ing when I refer to an activity. We have some other expressions such as I'm good at solving problems. And then when you are using I'm good at or you're good at, then you have to respect the gerund if you refer to an activity. I don't mind or I'm not good at, I can stand. Okay? This is the first part of this explanation. Why do we use the ing after these expressions? And I need you to practice.